you doing, ladies and gentlemen? We are now here on Treasure Island, or Site X, for those who know what it means. Here's Lindsay, my partner in crime. Well, there she is. That right there is the Bay Bridge, one of the longest steel bridges in the United States. There's the city, known as San Francisco. There's the Trans-America building. We'll be there tomorrow for the Chinese New Year parade. Detroit Tower. It's really chilly right now, oh my god. Nice sunset against the clouds. And then we have the Golden Gate Bridge. Alcatraz. Mountains. Did I mention it's really freaking chilly out here? Holy crap. Reminds me of home. It's beautiful out here. No snow.